Very good morning, students. After the lesson number 6, we will start our lesson number 7, that is verbs. Okay, action verbs. A verb is a doing word. It describes an action. It tells you what people, animals, or things do. Okay, in the simple form, you can say that a verb is a word that tell us what the subject does, says, has, or is. Okay, verbs have different forms. All the verbs have different forms. All the verbs have different forms. Okay, all forms of verbs come from base verbs. All these are base verbs. Why these are called base verbs? Because it is in their base form without any special ending. Ed has not added, es has not added. Okay, and ing is also not showing here. For example, base form: drink, swim, dance, walk. Okay, some verbs are called saying verbs. In saying verbs, the subject expresses themselves, like the children were screaming. Okay, some verbs show what the subject is or has. These type of verbs are called being verbs and having verbs. The being and having verbs are called linking verbs. Okay, like these: am, is, are, has, and have are also verbs. They are the example of linking verbs. They join two parts of a sentence. We use them in statements, questions, and negative sentences. Okay, now statement, question, negative sentences. I am tired. Am I tired? I am not tired. She is tall. Is she tall? She is not tall. We are in Indore. Are we in Indore? We are not in Indore. Jay has a green water bottle. Does Jay have a green water bottle? Jay does not have a green water bottle. They have a blue car. Do they have a blue car? They do not have a blue car. Okay. These base form of the verbs I want to explain to you. It is base form. Okay. When we change the sentences, okay, verbs also change their forms. In different types of sentences, verbs also change their base form. Like in present tense, the base form of the verb will be same, like play. In the past tense, it will be second form. Okay, and in the future form, will or shall will be added here. Will or shall will be added here. Okay, these are the different form of the verb. Play is a basic form, base form. It is second form, and it is future form. Okay. When one person or thing does an action, the verbs end with s. Okay. Sam sings well. The cat sleeps all day. Means Sam and the cat, okay, are single. So in the verb, there we will add s. When people or things do an action, the verb does not end with s. Means if the subject will be plural, then we will not s or es in the verb. Like trees, girls, both are plural, so there is no s. Give, okay, dance, there is no s. When we use I, we do not add s to the verbs s. Okay, there is an exception also. With the I word, we do not use s or es in the verbs. So I want to explain here. If the subject will be singular, okay, then we will add s or es in the base form of the verb. If the subject will plural, then we will not s or es with the base form of the verbs. I hope you have understood that I have explained you. Thank you, children.